So for example, this is my package, and for that matter, any package, right? If it is not pre-installed, then you need to install this package. And how to install a package in the Python? So this is the command. Pip install is the command, and then you are going to write the function, package name. So NumPy is a package name. Pip install is the command. Okay, and this is just one-time activity because you need to install only one time. But every time you want to use it, you need to write import, and this import one time in a file is fine. So what I'm doing here is I'm simply invoking that. I am saying that now I'm going to use NumPy package. So import NumPy. So this is invoking the package or opening your WhatsApp app, right? Now I'm creating an alias NumPy as NP because I'm going to give this reference multiple times. So NumPy is a 4 or is a 5 character. NP is a shortcut, and the industry is using as NP as alias. You can use any alias A, B, C, X, Y, Z, anything, or directly in NumPy also. But I would suggest that go with the industry standard NP. Import NumPy as NP. Okay, clear guys? So here what I did, I simply imported NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. This is one-time activity, so I'm not going to execute it. This is already installed, and for you also this is pre-installed in the newer version of Anaconda. And this NumPy is basically a numeric Python. So it will help you to solve many mathematical problems in a very easy manner. Okay. So for example, this NumPy is mostly for array. Array you already know, right? We have discussed that one column of Excel sheet or a SQL table, one column we can consider that this is an array. An array can hold multiple values, but the only thing is that all the values should be of same type. So we have a full house. Looks like we have full house. Good. Clear? Guys, I cannot listen you, or
yes,
I cannot see you. Okay. So you know about the typecasting, right? How to change a set to the list, or a tuple to a list, or list to a dictionary. It's like so on, right? You know typecasting, right? Typecasting we have learned. So now this is my list. If you see, this is my list. Now if you want to convert this to array, can I use this? I should be able to use it, right? If I need to convert to the array, I should be able to use it. But one thing is important, that array itself is not any function in a Python. Array function is not defined in a Python, right? This array is defined in a NumPy package. So I need to give a reference that this function I'm calling from NumPy package. NumPy package means nothing but NP. So wherever I write NP, it means that NumPy. Okay. So line number 49, you see NP.array. This says that this particular function is defined in NP, which is nothing but NumPy. So in a Python, right, this array function will not work. You need to give a reference that, boss, I am going to use this function from a NumPy package. Okay. So this is my list, and I'm converting this list to an array. See the array part. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you check the type, so this time it is a NumPy ND array. It's an array. If you simply check the type of this part, you know that you will get the list, right?